Shit, this is a spectacle. Just look at this. I haven't seen this here yet. I haven't seen anything like this yet. Unbelievable. I mean, I've seen the sardine run and that many times, but this is quite a spectacle. Bloody believable. Yeah, I'm videoing it. Right here on our stoep. It's amazing how ever since this lockdown happened, the birds have been going crazy. We had the dolphins yesterday morning, or the day before, coming right past us here and playing like anything here in the cove. Well, just past the cove here. Look at those birds.